Good morning. This is the old mechanic with yet another special video. Today we're gonna do something special. I've got two of these Bluetooth intercoms. It's Cardo SCALA RIDER G9. Have lithium-ion batteries into it, and over time they worn out. So I ordered two new ones, and today I'm going to show you how you can renew the battery of your Cardo SCALA RIDER G9. First, what do we need? Of course, the two Bluetooth intercoms and a very tiny Torx screwdriver. And what I also need is my very special Dr. Snuggles glasses. Otherwise I can't see those super tiny screws. So, let's do it. Come over and I show you. First, we're gonna open the Cardo. That's quite easy. There are a few screws. Perhaps I zoom in. Watch. Over there is a screw. 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 And there is one hidden over there, just behind the antenna. So, first we're gonna loosen all those tiny screws. This one. You have to be careful, as these are two short screws and these are somewhat longer. Watch. See? Oh. These are somewhat longer. This one and this one. And this one. Up. See? Oops. Now, be careful with the antenna. And it has this spring. So you have to take care of that too. You can unplug the antenna. The antenna has this tiny connector, so be careful. This is the spring. Then this is the battery, and the battery is with somewhat sticky stuff glued to the inside. With carefully you can lift it up. Even kijken hierheen. And then you have here another connector which pull out. This is the battery. You can see even here, it's already swollen. That means this battery is already almost dead. The marking on the battery, wait, I zoom in. there are some things you need to be careful. This is the rubber over here until there. Oh, oops. This is the rubber, which makes it yeah, sort of waterproof. Then on the rear side we have over here, oh, there it goes, see? It has this, even kijken hè, hoe, here. Actually, this is the Cardo taken apart. This is all you need with this screwdriver. Oh no, Torx driver. So, here we've got the new batteries. 1, 2. What I noticed was first how blown up the original already are, which is not good. This is much slimmer, smaller, and these say the original has a marking on it 4.2 volts, and these ones are, even kijken, 3.7 volts. But according to the manufacturer, the website, they should fit and work. So actually I don't mind. I made a mistake. It's not lithium ion, it's lithium polymer. Lithium polymer or something. Squeeze them up with your nail, even kijken. Yeah, a bit onto there. And then I'll take this one. Just a moment, have a look. Wat een hond hier. So, now let's see. Hopefully, yes. It's a bit of a hassle. Now, the longest goes there. With plastic you always have to be carefully not to over tighten them, because that's so easily done. Now, this one. Okay. This one. Up. Yes. Up. Ready. Here I already got the second one, which also has a blown up battery. So up. This one. Oh, need my Dr. Snuggles bril. Then up. And up. This one in place too. Okay. Up. Nah. This one went easy. This one went in easy very well. Let's see. Yes. Up. These are the screws. 3 long ones, 2 short ones. Start with one long one over here. Okay, one over here. Up. So, one over here. Up. And one over here. Up. Okay, and one. No. Over here. Yep. Carefully feel if they are all at the right pressure. Up. This was the battery project of our Cardo SCALA RIDER G9, putting in 2 new batteries. Is it easy? Take your time. It's a bit of a fiddling, wiggling, but can you do it? I'm sure. But just take your time, do it easy, not force anything. Yeah, then it's very easy to do. So, hopefully you like this video too. And if you do, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Yeah, that's all for today. See you the next time. Old Mechanic out.